History of Catalina Yachts, sailing through 50 years of excellence. Founded in 1970 by Frank Butler, Catalina Yachts has become a stalwart in the sailboat manufacturing industry. Butler's original vision was not about sheer size, but centered on building good boats that offer excellent value to customers. This philosophy laid the foundation for Catalina's enduring legacy in crafting sailboats that cater to a wide range of sailing enthusiasts. Best inventions, sailing towards innovation. Catalina Yachts boasts a timeline filled with noteworthy achievements. From the introduction of the Catalina 22 in 1969 to breaking U.S. production records with the Catalina 42 in 1989, the company has consistently blended proven features with new ideas. The Catalina 310, introduced in 1999, and subsequent models like the Catalina 445 and Catalina 355 have earned prestigious awards, showcasing Catalina Yachts' commitment to innovation and quality. Recent developments, a fleet of excellence. In recent years, Catalina Yachts has continued to make waves with the introduction of the Catalina 425 in 2016. This model, along with the Catalina 445 and Catalina 355, has not only met but exceeded expectations, garnering accolades such as Cruising World's Boat of the Year and Sail Magazine's Best Boat Awards in 2017. Current status, sailing into the future. As of December 2023, Catalina stands as a testament to a commitment to customer satisfaction and sailing excellence. With a diverse range of models, from the Catalina 275 Sport to the Catalina 425, the company continues to grow its family of satisfied customers.